Welcome to today's devotional and Bible study. Our key verses are taken from Proverbs chapter 27 verse 17 and 2 Chronicles chapter 2 verse 6. Our topical themes are who is sharpening you and a God too great to contain. Walk in the Word.
How deeply I need you.
How deeply I need you,
My Lord.
my Lord.
Oh,
How deeply I need you,
my Lord.
my Lord.
Like the desert needs the rain.
Desert needs the rain.
I need
I need you
like every ocean needs